Good morning. I'm here to collect some eggs. Have you got any? I'm going to make some breakfast. I'll have a look. Oh, yes, there. Got 2 eggs there, guys. Will do for my breakfast this morning. Although mayroon pa kami sa bahay. But kinukulik ko ang eggs nila every day, every morning. Only have 2. Will do me. Para sa breakfast ko. Meron tayo 2. Yan. I'll feed you later. Magandang morning sa lahat. Ako'y nanggaling sa aking mga chicken this morning. At ako'y nakakuha pa ng eggs. Every morning guys, ako'y pumunta sa aking sa aming chicken farm chart. At kumukuha ako ng eggs guys. Ito nakakuha ako ng 2. Every day, at least may 2-3 kaming itlog. Ngayon ako'y almusal. Gagawa tayo ng scrambled eggs with yan, meron akong frozen na mixed vegetables. Lagay ko lang yan dyan. Mixed vegetables. Lagyan to ng asin. At saka paminta lang. Yan. Asin, paminta. Tapos, yan. Ito guys, 2 itlog. Yan, lagyan natin ng kunting magic syrup. At tayo magpa-fried. Pero natin ang heat. Yan. Ako'y naka-beni guys, naka-hoodie ako kasi malamig. Yan, dito tayo sa aking lagyan natin ng oil ang ating pan. Tayo luluto ng egg for ating almusal. At meron akong ginawa dito na bread. Cheese lang nilagay ko dyan, kaya sabi ko magagawa ako ng egg omelette. Malamig dito sa amin guys. Lagyan na natin ito. Ayan. Dalawang itlog lang yan guys. 2 itlog. Okay. Natin konting asin pa. At meron ako ditong herbs. Meron ako mixed herbs. Lagyan ko ng mixed herbs ito. Yan. Ito yung aking mga herbs, guys. So, ba? Frozen mixed vegetables po ito, guys. No? Yan. Kan breakfast ko. Wow, sarap. flip natin ito. Oops. Doesn't look good, but it's quite tasty because it's fresh eggs, guys. Fresh eggs. Turn off the heat now. And then, kakain na ako. Tara! Yan. Kain tayo, no? At yan. At ito ang ating bread. Itong aking eggshell, guys. Itong eggshell ko, hindi ko ito tinatapon. Kasi, this is very useful. Very useful talaga yan. Oo. Yan, ito na yung ating eggs, guys. Oh. Fresh eggs from the bottom of the chicken. Char-char. Yan. Itong aking, wow. Kakain tayo. It's delicious. I'll put my toaster away now. Tsaka meron akong kape. Kape. Thanks for watching. Ang sarap talaga ng fresh eggs. Yung lang ang frozen. Mixed vegetables ang frozen.